Hello everyone, I'm Taylor, the branch librarian at the Oakland Branch Library, and today I'm here to show you all what's in the Kids and Com kit, which is part of our Kids and Com club that will be starting in October, where we'll meet via Zoom. We'll do some yoga, we'll do some origami and meditation, and learn all about mindfulness. But let's get into what you guys are really here for, to see what's in the kit. Whoop. Lots of stuff in there. So to start off, there's some papers that tell you how to use the kit. A paper that tells you more books and resources about mindfulness if you want to learn more, and then the instructions for the 2 crafts that are included in the kit. There is also a stack of origami paper for you to use during our weekly meetings where each week we'll learn a new origami fold. There's some cutout pieces of paper and a piece of colored paper for you to make a gratefulness flower, where you'll write your name, and then on each petal you'll write something you're grateful for, to reflect on all of the wonderful things in your life that there is to be grateful for. And then the other thing is a rock, some paint, and a paintbrush. And this is to make a meditation rock. So you'll paint something onto the rock, maybe a word of kindness or affirmation, or just a pretty picture that you would like to look at while you meditate. And then you can use the rock as a focus for your meditation. And the last thing in the kit is a ton of coloring pages. So in between all of our meetings, if you want to take a little time to just slow down and focus on only one thing, focus on coloring, you can pull out one of these coloring pages and have a little moment of mindfulness in your day. And so that's everything in the Kids and Com Mindfulness Kit. So I'm looking forward to see you all join us at the Kids and Com Club.